One mistake made when installing toilets, which I've been guilty of myself in my early days, is installing the washer behind, right here, behind the gasket. You want to just put the gasket straight with the bolt through the deal. And then, yep, so this should go bolt, gasket, tank, washer, nut, and then that gets tightened down, and then it goes through the bowl, and then it's a washer and a nut on the bottom, and that's for 2 or 3 bolts depending on how many bolts your particular toilet has. It's the same deal, but that will prevent what's called a crevice leak, because if you put the bolt and then the washer and then the gasket, there's an area between the bolt and the washer. No good.